Hi, you guys. Thank you for your purchase and congratulations on your new business venture. This video will show you how to edit your Canva template. Open the PDF you received with this purchase. It contains 4 clickable images, one for the Canva template, one for the print and cut template, a Google Drive containing all the social media icons, and a YouTube video for the video tutorial. Click on the Google Drive icon. It redirects you to Google Drive. You need not log into your Gmail account to access this drive. It will contain multiple colors of icons and elements depending on the design of the template. Here you can see it contains red, blush and black social media icons. I click on red. Each folder contains around 60 to 65 icons. You can click on the down arrow, click on download, and the icons will be downloaded into your computer. Similarly, depending on the design of the template, the drive may contain several different design elements such as brush strokes, hearts, stars. You can mix and match it according to your design choice. As shown here, the elements would be downloaded, like shown here, the black icons. You can now click on the Canva template. It will redirect you to Canva. Click on Use Template. Here you'll have to sign into Canva. It's free of cost. You can either sign up through Google, Facebook, or create your own Canva account. Like here, I log in through my Google ID. Once the login process is complete, it will redirect you to the template. This template, for example, is 100% editable. That means you can edit in all the text and images. But that might not be possible for each of the templates, so make sure to click on each text to check. Now here, for example, I change the text "Thank you" to "Handmade for you." Similarly, you can change the font if you do not like it. Here I'm satisfied with the font, so all I do is rearrange the text box, put it in center. You can also change the size, color. You can also change the message of the thank you card, as here I have changed the percent to 15 and changed the coupon code to for you 15. You will have to edit the social media handles, as these are just examples to your business. So you can shuffle between Instagram, Etsy page, email, and several different social media handles, since the icon for each is provided with this pack. Now I want to change the icon color, so I go to upload image or video, click on upload from device. Here you can upload the elements that you have downloaded from the Google Drive. Here, as you can see, I'm uploading all of the social media icons that we had just downloaded. I choose Instagram, Etsy, and email, and then I adjust them according to the size that I want them to. I can change the position of the image from backward, forward. Now I'm editing the social media handles. These are just examples. You can choose what you would want to change here. Instead of Instagram, you can, for example, put in your Snapchat ID. Instead of Etsy, you can probably put in your website's name. It's completely editable according to your preference. These are just examples. So here I put in my social media account, that is Instagram. Then I change the name to my Etsy shop. I'm also aligning them. Like you can see those extremely light perforated lines as guidelines so that each of the elements are aligned together. The heart element here says we appreciate your support. Similarly, if it says drop your logo here, upload your logo the same way we uploaded the social media icons and proceed to drag and drop it towards the element. Now I move on to editing my website's name. If you have your own website, you can enter it in here, or you can enter in your Etsy shop name or your Amazon shop name, your Poshmark shop name. It completely depends on what you want to write in here. You could also completely change the text and write it in as please leave a review if you like it. I align it to make sure it's centered. You can also add in your own hashtag. That way your customers can find you on Instagram. If you don't have a hashtag, you can completely delete the text tab. But here I'm adding the social media hashtag. You can also change the background color, like here you can change it to red, pink, black, brown, depending on what you want. If you want, you can just keep it the way it is. Now here I'm choosing pink. I click on download. Now Canva gives you 6 different file options to choose from, and it completely depends on your printing option. Here you can either go for PDF print if you want to give it to a third-party printer. But if you are going to choose to print it at home, choose PNG at 3x and click on download. And within seconds, your template is going to be downloaded onto your computer. It would look something like this. You can now open the template for the DIY grid. Go to uploads, upload image or video, device, choose the PNG we just downloaded, click on choose. Once the upload is completed, drag and drop it to each of the designated squares. Click on download. Here, download it as a PDF print. Click on crop marks and bleed, click download, and again within seconds your printable grid will be downloaded. You can then print it using your desktop printer and cut it along the guided lines. Voila! It's that easy to print your own thank you card. Now moving on to how you can upload on third-party printer websites. Here, I take the example of VistaPrint. You have to first download your thank you card in the form of PDF standard print and not PNG or JPEG. Click on download and now within seconds you'll have it on your desktop. Now go to VistaPrint.com. I prefer VistaPrint because they provide their services in multiple countries and also have a variety of options. For our thank you card, you would have to go to Marketing and Materials, click on Postcards, and it will redirect you to the page. VistaCard provides you with 6 different sizes and multiple stock paper options. Here, we choose the orientation as horizontal, size as 4.2 into 5.5 inches. You can choose the paper weight in paper stock as per your budget. Here I choose standard and glossy on front only. You can choose your quantity depending on what you prefer. Click on Start Design. It will redirect you. Click on Upload It since we already have our design in hand. Here, click on My Computer. upload the PDF file of the thank you card we just downloaded. Wait for a few seconds for the file to be uploaded. And then click on preview. As per my experience, the preview on VistaPrint is pretty accurate to what you will receive. Click on the front and back to confirm. Click on next. You can choose the back as plain or choose a color. Click next. You can then continue with the payment details and receive your VistaPrint thank you card in the mail. Feel free to contact me through my Etsy page or my email ID at info.amyableprints@gmail.com. Thank you again for your purchase and all the best.